jelly beans.
Today, we are going to study the AU family and the sounds. The vowel team AU is typically found in the middle of a word or syllable. The sound of AU is A, as in audit. AUDIT, audit. As in August. AUGUST, August. Aura, AURA, aura. Auburn, AUBURN, auburn. Author, AUTHOR, author. Autumn, AUTUMN, autumn. Applaud, APPLAUD, applaud. Cause, CAUSE, cause. Applause, APPLAUSE, applause. Auction, AUCTION, auction. Audio, AUDIO, audio. Astronaut, ASTRONAUT, astronaut. Automatic, AUTOMATIC, automatic. Because, BECAUSE, because. Exhaust, EXHAUST, exhaust. Clause, CLAUSE, clause. Caution, CAUTION, caution. Fraud, FRAUD, fraud. Autograph, AUTOGRAPH, autograph. Haunt, HAUNT, haunt. Fault, FAULT, fault. Laura, LAURA, Laura. Sauce, SAUCE, sauce. Launch, LAUNCH, launch. Saucer, SAUCER, saucer. Laundry, laundry, laundry. Pause, pause, pause. Tot, taught, tot. Faucet, faucet, faucet.